Microfluidics International Corporation is excited to announce our newest high-shear fluid processor, the LM20 Microfluidizer. LM20 combines electronic control and low holdup volume into an easy-to-use, quiet, benchtop unit that delivers superior particle size reduction and cell disruption. This video will cover the startup and operation of the LM20 microfluidizer. We will demonstrate the LM20's operations with a simple emulsion of oil and water. The LM20 is powered with a three-phase power source. Once the user has wired the LM20 to a source of power, the LM20 is turned on with the red disconnect switch on the side. The processor takes only a few moments to power up, at which point you can input your processing parameters. The first step is to prime the high-pressure pump. To do this, we set the LM20 to run at 5,000 psi. At this point, the inlet reservoir should be filled with your priming liquid. In this case, our priming liquid is water. Once the pressure is set, we can turn on the electric motor. Then, we can turn on the high-pressure intensifier pump. With the priming dowel, we depress the inlet check valve for 1 or 2 strokes of the high-pressure plunger. Then, we can remove the priming dowel. Once the machine is primed with your priming liquid, you can pour in your product into the inlet reservoir. To process the sample, enter the desired processing pressure, in this case 30,000 psi. Start the motor and intensifier. The LM20 is now operating at 30,000 psi and processing our sample. This image shows our sample prior to processing and after one pass at 30,000 psi. If you wish to decrease the processing pressure, you can use the arrow keys. You can also touch the pressure setting to bring up a keypad. The pressure change takes effect as soon as you press the return button. To pause the processing, you can push the Stop Intensifier button. The electric motor will continue to run. To stop the motor, you can push the Stop Motor button. The LM20 records the number of cycles for batch records and to help maintain proper machine service intervals. The LM20 also comes with different language support. You can see all language options with a push of the language button. To select a different language, simply press the desired language. To return to the main screen, press the F1 button. Like all of our microfluidizer products, the LM20 excels at efficiently converting high fluid pressures to intense shear forces. Microfluidics LM20 Microfluidizer delivers scalable submicron size reduction and cell disruption, as well as consistent product yields. The LM20's unique intensifier pump ensures constant pressure is applied to your material, driving it through fixed geometry microchannels within the LM20's interaction chamber. The LM20 is an excellent choice for a variety of applications, from creating emulsions and dispersions to producing liposomes and performing delicate cell disruption operations. If you are interested in learning more about the LM20 or other microfluidics products, please click the link below.